In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. Branding your emails and posts makes a big difference in how readers experience your publication. I'll walk you through setting a banner image, creating a consistent header, and adding a footer, all using Substack's built-in settings. Start by opening your Substack dashboard and heading to Settings. Once you're there, select Emails. This area controls how your newsletters look and what extra elements appear around your content. Find the section labeled Email Header and Footer and click Edit. That opens the tools you'll use for your banner, header, and footer. Let's begin with the banner image. Look for the option called Banner Image and choose Upload. Pick a nice, clean image that represents your publication. Think of it like a cover that sits at the top of your emails. Aim for a high-resolution file that isn't too heavy so it loads quickly for readers. Keep text inside the image minimal and make sure there's good contrast so it looks sharp on both desktop and mobile. If the preview looks off, try a slightly wider crop or a lighter file size, then upload again until it feels right. Next, set your header, find Header for all posts, and click Edit. You'll see a text field where you can enter the short message you want to appear above every email. This could be a friendly greeting, a one-line value statement, or a brief note that sets the tone. Keep it concise so it doesn't push your main content too far down. If you use emojis or simple emphasis, do so sparingly to maintain a professional look. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Saving here applies the header across future sends so you don't have to add it each time. Now move to your footer. Locate email footers and click Edit. Type the message you want to show at the end of your emails. Many creators include a sign-off, a quick reminder about what's coming next, or a short disclosure. You can also include a link to your website or social profiles, but make sure it's not overwhelming. Your footer should feel helpful and tidy. When you're done, click Save. That's it. Your banner strengthens your visual identity, your header sets context from the first line, and your footer leaves a clear, consistent closing note. If anything doesn't look the way you expected, you can return to the same settings and fine-tune the image or wording at any time. With these elements in place, your Substack looks more polished, more memorable, and more you.